Hi, Bixby here from the Global Green Burial Alliance, and I want to talk to you a little bit about the importance of all of us being unified within this green movement. You know, at the end of the day, things like certifications and licensing and things are important, but in reality, are they important to the ones we serve? Ultimately, it comes down to the knowledge and understanding of what we're doing and how we can serve our customers best. So I just want to speak, to the fact that, having an accreditation or a certification that's paid for doesn't always mean that it's the best service you're going to receive. It's a mindset. We have to all be in this together. And on our next podcast, we're going to speak to a funeral director. You're going to be able to speak to him, and you're going to learn a little bit about, what it means to offer these services, and understand how funeral directors themselves all can offer this, whether or not they have a certification from someone or whether or not they just believe in what they're doing and they can offer these services, and people can believe in that because they're a trusted person and it's heartfelt. So again, more to come when it comes to our next podcast, and please support the Global Green Burial Alliance. It's there for the customer and for the provider, and everything, as always, is free. Thank you.